Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your cover image on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. Next, select Account Information. On the next page, select Profile. In Profile Settings, select Cover Image. Select the image or screenshot you want to use as your cover image, then crop the image to fit on your profile. Your PlayStation profile image has now been updated on your PS4. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.